say Big Susan. I call her Big Susan. Yeah.
A Big Susan. Okay.
Yeah.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Could you tell me what else in here for the video?
There's 4 SA15s on 2 3Ks Hafonics.
Really?
Yeah.
What is the box tuned to?
Supposed to be 32 hertz, but it peaks at 42.
42?
Yeah.
Did you build it?
I built the box, and then John from Crescendo sealed off the wall.
Okay. Looks good.
Yeah.
I know you still got some more work on it.
Yeah, there's a lot of more work. There's gonna be plexiglass down there, and then there's gonna be a plexiglass piece up there that's gonna say Big Susan. I call her Big Susan. Yeah.
A Big Susan. Okay.
Yeah, but the plexi. What's up, man?
Everybody.
What's up? So the plexiglass guy didn't come in time, so.
Okay.
Yeah. Then it's gonna be 4 FT1s and 6 6.5s in the walls.
Where's your amps at?
In the back.
Can I see them?
Yeah, they're not pretty though.
It don't matter. I'll see it. I like that. That's a pretty cool amp rack right there.
Yeah. It's supposed to be a way better one, but time and money.
That's right. I understand. Looks good.
Yeah. I like it.
You still got. So there's one. Is this for like your 4-channel?
Yeah.
And that's your mono blocks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for showing me, man.
Yes, sir, man.
It may not be pretty, but it's working.
Yeah,
That's what
it's
matters.
working, yeah.
That's right. What was your name?
Malcom.
Malcom. Jacob.
All right,
Nice to meet
Jacob.
you.
I know you, Jacob.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
I've been trapping all week. Come here to spend some. PIP is all. Sleeping on the floor. I've been trapping all week. I come here to see all. Used to be sleeping on the floor. I've been trapping all week. I come here to see all. Used to be sleeping on the floor.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.